Hello guys, what's up? I greet all of you for the time that you have given to be on this platform or to be on this channel. I want to do a quick one on this particular video. We looking at how to enjoy this particular Christmas, and Kikuu is actually offering Black Friday, which started on 5th November up to 5th December. If you check the date, we have just few days more to end this Black Friday. So I just want my followers to know the particular surprise that Kikuu is pulling up for you guys. So this video is a short one about how to be able to purchase things using the Kikuu app. All that you need to do is, this is actually an e-commerce online shopping mall. If you don't have, just go to Play Store. Quick one, you have to go to Play Store and you download for yourself the Kikuu app. Just type Kikuu, K-I-K-U. You search and then the app will be there. You understand? So there's the app. You just install and you are good to go. So I'll just have to open the app, which is the Kikuu app here, and we will just enjoy some of the items that they have in stock for us. So it's indeed Black Friday, and Kikuu is giving this pull up for all of us to enjoy. Boom, I love this interface. So if you just want to browse through some of the Black Friday items, just go. It's actually on the home screen. Click on Black Friday, and we have sections or categories. We have electronics, we have clothes, we have shoes, bags, beauty, home, etc. You understand? So if you want electronics, the reduction has been made based on the prices. So we have original Oppo R7 Plus, which is a smartphone, going for 310 cedis. There has been a 5% reduction. We also have Android 12 tablet PC, which is also 399 cedis. That is minus 20% reduction. Then we have original unlock. So if you have phones, there are plenty. If you want phones, there are plenty here. Those of you who want the wireless headphones, you've got some here, which is going for 29 cedis, 67 pesos. That's cool, man. So we also have some of the phones here, original Nokia 5.1 Plus, which is going for 469 cedis, 20 pesos, minus 24%. There has been 2,238 orders. So it means people have already made an order. And one funny thing is that if you make this order, it is coming on 25th December. You understand? These are some of the reviews or feedback. The product is awesome and all that. So good product. People are actually talking about the product. There is only one thing that you need to know on e-commerce or online shopping. That is the feedback people bring whenever they buy an item. That really makes the platform a legit one. This is also the clothes category. We have this nice shirt going for 65 cedis. This is for the ladies. You understand? So there are so many items here. This top is going for 47 cedis, 61 pesos, which is actually interesting. Very nice shirt. So one thing is that they also have a voucher there that helps you to, if you make multiple purchases, it helps you to reduce the cost involved. So with shoes categories, you can also buy shoes, my girls and then my boys. You see, so this is actually a very nice shoe, which is 126 cedis. Leather shoes, very nice one. So guys, you can browse through so many items. These are bags for my ladies. These are wallets. If you want beauty products, things to make you slim and etc. These are all here. If you want hair, a lot of hair, you can also get some pomade and etc. here. And these are some tools for the home. You understand? Item for the house. So this is Black Friday. As I said earlier, it actually started with on 5th November and it's ending on 5th December. So grab the opportunity right now. Go to Kikuu and make a purchase on any item that you wish to buy. So guys, that is all. Make sure if you like this video, click on the like button. Make sure you also subscribe if you are new here. And guys, make sure you get into my comment section and type what you feel about the video. You understand how you love my videos. Let me hear it from the comment section. Guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching this video. And it has been your boy, I still remains Sidaku, and this is Sidaku Tech Lab channel. I'm out.